Hey guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. After me, we've got Shannon from Shan Fluid Art. Then after her, we've got Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. So stick around, enjoy the ride. So what I'm going to do today is just have a little bit of a play and see what we come up with. Here's some tunes. See you at the end.
Tablets to fade away, we will remain. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. King, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. heart saying, King, 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 long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but we won't go down. I want it all. I want it all. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. Legend has it we could be legends, etched in the stone, forever on thrones. History's made in the moments. Heroes collide, it's all on the line with our backs against the wall. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds. But just like we promised, we came to fight. They'll tell our stories of battles and glories, the ones that nobody forgets. Yeah, we'll be remembered for this. We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Nothing will stop us against all the odds, but just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight.
Alright, we'll do a flyover of that one. Just a bit of fun and some crazy patterns, so loads of fun. Give it a go. Alright, up next we've got Shannon from FlukieFluidArt. Click on the link that I put in there in the chat. It'll take you to Premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Boring by venomfluidart on Facebook, click on the Play All List link that I put in there each and every week. That way you see everybody on the Express and you don't get lost. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.